Welcome to my channel. Today I want to share with you the recipe of mutton bone soup. Mutton bone soup is a very healthy and tasty soup. Mutton bone soup gives good relief to people who are having weakness, cold, cough and fever. Mutton bone soup is very easy to prepare. I took half kg of mutton bones, cleaned them and put them in. To prepare the mutton bone soup, we require a saucepan or a medium-sized cooker. Switch on the flame and heat the cooker. Now, put little oil into the cooker. Let the oil be sufficiently hot. When we have to add the ginger garlic paste. I took little quantity of ginger garlic paste. Let the ginger garlic paste fry properly in the hot oil. This process should be done under a sim flame, very low flame. Once the ginger garlic paste is fried properly, now we add the mutton bones into the cooker. Combine them properly. Take about 1/4 spoon of turmeric powder. Combine it with the bones properly. Now I take 1 tablespoon of salt. Again we are combining it properly so the salt gets combined properly. Now I took 5 full glasses of water in a vessel and now I am pouring it into the bones. The level of water should be more than the level of the bones. Now close the lid of the cooker and give at least 6 to 10 whistles so that the bones get softened properly. This should be in a medium flame. See, the bones are properly cooked. Now take black pepper powder. Black pepper powder quantity is according to your taste. Now I took 1 bowl of carrots. Carrots is really optional. When you want to take vegetables along with the soup, you are going to add the carrots, or else you can take this bone soup like that only. Now again close the cooker lid and give only 1 or 2 whistles, not more than that. See, the carrots are also properly cooked. So, the mutton bone soup is ready with carrots. Serve them in a bowl. Very tasty mutton bone soup. Thank you for watching this video.